Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to stay fit at home, a good treadmill can make a huge difference. Whether you want to walk, jog, or do intense cardio workouts, today's treadmills offer powerful motors, smart features, and space-saving designs perfect for any home. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best treadmills in 2026 that deliver great performance, durability, and value for money. I've included options for home gyms, small apartments, and even under-desk walking pads, so there's something here for everyone. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Now, let's get started. Number 1. The THERUN Incline Treadmill. The THERUN Incline Treadmill is a powerful and feature-packed treadmill designed for both beginners and experienced runners. It comes with a 3.5 horsepower motor, providing smooth and consistent performance whether you're walking or running. One standout feature is the automatic incline system that goes up to 15%, allowing you to simulate uphill training and burn more calories. The treadmill also includes a wide running belt, making workouts more comfortable and stable. With a 300-pound weight capacity, it's built to support a wide range of users. Additionally, the treadmill supports fitness apps and includes a built-in heart rate monitor, helping you track your workouts and progress. Pros: powerful 3.5 HP motor, 0 to 15% automatic incline, wide and comfortable running belt, app connectivity and heart rate monitoring, foldable, space-saving design. Overall, the THERUN Incline Treadmill is a great option for users who want a gym-like workout experience at home. Number 2. 3-in-1 Under-Desk Treadmill with Removable Workstation. Next up is the 3-in-1 Under-Desk Treadmill with Removable Workstation, a perfect choice for people who want to stay active while working. This treadmill doubles as a walking pad, jogging treadmill, and workstation, thanks to its removable desk setup. It features a 3.5 HP motor, providing smooth and quiet operation, ideal for home offices. The compact design makes it easy to store, and it comes with a wristband remote control that allows you to adjust speed without interrupting your work. Because of its foldable and compact design, this treadmill is perfect for small apartments or office spaces. Pros: 3-in-1 design with removable desk, quiet motor ideal for office use, compact and foldable, wristband remote control, good for walking while working. If you want a treadmill mainly for walking and productivity, this model is definitely worth considering. Number 3. UMAY Fitness Treadmill. UMAY Fitness Treadmill is built for users who want power, durability, and a larger running area. It features a strong 4.0 horsepower motor and supports speeds up to 9.5 miles per hour, making it great for both walking and serious running sessions. One of its most impressive features is the 20% automatic incline, which allows for very intense workout sessions. The treadmill also offers a large 55 by 18-inch running surface, giving you plenty of space for comfortable strides. With a 400-pound weight capacity, it's one of the most durable treadmills on this list. Plus, the foldable design makes it easier to store when not in use. Pros: powerful 4.0 HP motor, 20% auto incline for intense workouts, large running surface, high 400-pound weight capacity, durable and stable build. Overall, the UMAY Fitness Treadmill is perfect for users who want a heavy-duty treadmill for serious workouts. Number 4. 3-in-1 Portable Incline Walking Pad Treadmill. If you're looking for something compact and portable, the 3-in-1 Portable Incline Walking Pad Treadmill is a great option. This treadmill features a 3.0 HP quiet brushless motor, making it ideal for home environments where noise can be an issue. It also includes a foldable design with a handlebar, allowing you to switch between walking pad mode and regular treadmill mode. The treadmill supports users up to 300 pounds and includes an LED display that shows speed, time, distance, and calories burned. Because of its lightweight design, it's very easy to store under a bed or sofa when not in use. Pros: portable and compact design, quiet brushless motor, foldable and easy to store, LED display for tracking workouts, good for small spaces. This treadmill is a great pick for light workouts and small living spaces. Number 5. Folding treadmill for home. Last but not least, we have the 3.0 HP folding treadmill for home, a solid and affordable treadmill for everyday fitness. It features a 3.0 horsepower motor that provides smooth performance for walking and jogging. The treadmill also includes a manual incline system, allowing you to add some challenge to your workouts. You'll also get Bluetooth connectivity and heart rate sensors, which help you monitor your fitness progress. The space-saving folding design makes it ideal for home users who need a treadmill that doesn't take up too much room. Pros: good 3.0 HP motor performance, Bluetooth connectivity, heart rate monitoring, compact folding design, great value for money. So that was our list of the top 5 best treadmills in 2026. If you want the most powerful treadmill, the UMAY fitness treadmill is an excellent choice. If you prefer a compact treadmill for work and walking, the 3-in-1 under-desk treadmill is perfect. And if you want a balanced option with incline and smart features, the THERUN Incline Treadmill is definitely worth considering. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming tech and product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.